Hey guys, welcome back to Hime Hime Star. Today I'm doing another Gyaru FAQ, and today our question is, do you have to wear a lot of makeup in order to be Gyaru? The quick answer is kind of. So kind of with Gyaru, the aesthetic of the makeup is to have really over-exaggerated eyes, and in that sense I would say yes, you do need to wear a lot of eye makeup. And you do also want to have a focus on a contoured nose and contoured cheeks. So yes, you would need to wear a lot of makeup in order for that to be the case. And now when it comes to nose contour and things like that, I do think it is best to be applied over in a already flawless base. So whatever coverage works for you, to make sure that you have an even skin tone all over your face. Concealer, foundation, just a BB cream, whatever works for you. So you kind of do end up piling up the products. I think the most products do come into play with the eye makeup, especially with eyelashes, eyeliner, and different things like that. And then kind of other things are a little bit more optional. You can go a little bit more lightweight with lip color. You don't necessarily have to wear a lipstick. However, a lip gloss, required. You know what I mean? You need to have some sort of lip product. A lip gloss is a little bit lighter weight, maybe a tinted lip balm if it will look good with your look, if it's pigmented enough. So you kind of do need to wear a decent amount of makeup to be wearing Gyaru. However, there are certain ways that you can kind of cheat that a little bit. For a while I was wearing Gyaru without wearing foundation. I was just wearing concealer in strategically placed areas, and then contouring my nose by setting my nose with powder and then contouring over it. So you don't necessarily have to wear tons and tons of makeup. However, it is going to be more than just the normal average everyday, makeup. So yeah, you kind of do need to wear a lot of makeup. And yeah, and again, you can kind of cheat it with the makeup if you don't want to wear as much makeup, by making sure your hair and your outfit is definitely on point. That being said, make sure your makeup still looks good. I'm not going to be playing here. I'm not going to be telling you, you don't need to wear makeup. No, you need to wear makeup. Gyaru is very much a makeup oriented style. So you need to wear makeup. You need to have your hair done. You need to look good. You need to have a Gyaru look. So if you aren't really sure how to do that, please check out the Beginner Guide to Gyaru. I have a whole series on different makeup looks and different parts of the makeup looks, and I'll go ahead and link that down below if you haven't seen it already. There's a lot of advice from different Gyaru who can help you out with different opinions than just my own. That's gonna be it for today's video. My camera battery is dying, so sorry if I was talking a little bit fast. That's just what I do. So I will talk to you guys in the next one. If you guys have any other questions, please leave them down in the comments and I will either answer them in a comment or in its own video. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.